Grab your copies of Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes by Sean Vigue. The link to order is below.
Oh my friends, Coach Vigue. Like Vogue, but with an I, your official online yoga and Pilates instructor guy. Pleasure to be with you today. This is a yoga for runners routine. All body weight, great for everybody. I recommend doing it before your run, before your jog, before your power walk, before hiking. Get your blood flowing, get your focus, and also get your body warmed up. Get the posture nice and strong. Of course, you can do it anytime you want, but do it before your run, definitely. Check in below, questions, feedback, and requests. All right, I am viciously tucking my shirt in here, viciously. Here we go. Let's begin with crescent lunge. Take your left foot forward. Right knee sliding back. Gonna stretch the hip flexor, get this quad work in, then we're gonna lift up, arms up over the head. This is a modified crescent lunge called a low lunge. Reach the arms up and back, the upper body goes with it. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Let's do 3 more breaths. Sharpen your focus. Look right across somewhere. Somewhere in the room, somewhere outside. All right, open up into cactus arms. One of my favorites, opening up the chest, opening up your posture. And then let's switch to the other side. So step back for a moment, right foot comes forward. Slide the left knee back, line up your knee and your ankle, fingers down, or we reach up. Inhale, lift up and back. Exhale, sink into the legs. In the nose and out the nose. Breathe deep, deep, deep breathing, all that oxygen. 3 more breaths. Let the crown of the head lift towards the ceiling. Good, relax into the pose. Let your body work as a unit. All right, cactus arms, we open, sliding the shoulders down and back. Excellent. Let's keep moving. Bring the forearms down. We have a forearm plank. Here, walk the knees back. Forearms are parallel. If you want, tuck the toes. Here we are, forearm plank. Getting some attention into our core, our abdominals, our lower back, hips and glutes, the center of our strength, the center of our balance, the center of any run that we do. Let's do 5 breaths right here. Every exhale, pull the belly button into the spine. Press the heels back, stretch the backs of the legs. Good, increase the breath each time, always breathing better and better. Take the knees wide, press it back, child's pose. Let me mirror you this time. Take your right arm down, take your left arm across. This, lengthen into this twist. We want some spinal decompression, some spinal attention here. 3 more breaths. Use this left hand to press into the mat. Open up the twist. Good, the repetitive running, the linear quality, the straight ahead kind of run. We want to make sure we twist, we open, and encourage the body to release that blood flow. All right, other side. There we are. Press into that right hand, open up the twist. 3 more deep breaths. Remember, in the nose and out the nose. You still there? Right there. Okay, good. I'm here. Here we are. Increase that oxygen uptake ability. Improving your athletic performance always, always. Beautiful. I feel good? Oh, yeah, I love that. All right, sit on the heels here for a moment, or cross-legged. Can't do any sort of yoga flow for runners or any kind of athletes without the mudra. So bind the fingers together, lace them, drop the shoulders back. You don't want those shoulders rounding forward. We want to open up the posture, stimulate the breath. 2 more breaths. And keep those shoulders back and down so the chest is open and the breath can flow. All right, full crescent lunge. Left foot forward. You can bring the knee down again if you like, or I said full, F-U-L-L, stretch that back leg. Fingers down, or we reach up. It's always a lot of balance here. Arms up, 5 breaths. Find your focus, breathe into that focus. Lengthen the back leg, press the right heel, or whatever heel is back, press that towards the floor. Whoop. There we go, bring that foot back a little bit. Always adjusting, always adjusting. None of us is anywhere near perfect, of course, but we can always improve. We can always get better, get stronger every day. All right, cactus arms, open. Oh, did you hear that? Maybe a little adjustment. A little extra credit. Take the hand down, lift the other arm up. We have a twist, or the arm to the lower back, and open. 3 breaths. Each exhale, twist a little further. Draw that shoulder back. Excellent work. Step back, right foot forward, knee down, or full crescent lunge. Take a breath, shoulders back. You want your mechanics of your body, the alignment to be so strong. So we're not favoring a side. We're not having to constantly counteract imbalances in the body. 5 breaths. You really feel it in that front leg, don't you? Oh, you betcha there. Focus, focus with the breath. 1 more breath. And cactus arms. There we are. Open, 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 and twist. Woo! Oh, that was marvelous. Arm up or to the back. 3 breaths. Roll this shoulder back right here. All right, dolphin pose. Bring the knees back. But first, again, cross-legged or sit on the heels. Lace the fingers, open. You want a little more? Place the hands on the lower back here. We can massage those lumbar muscles down there. The lumbar area of the back of the spine, and drop back. 3 breaths. Relax the face, relax the jaw, and stretching the quads. The quads take a pounding, the hamstrings shorten and tighten. Whew, okay, dolphin, as promised. Forearms down, palms flat. Take the knees back. Modify it by pressing back right here. Your butt is flying into the air. Relax the shoulders, sink the armpits down. Full dolphin, tuck the toes, and walk the feet a little closer, but you want to shift your weight back. So I'm not coming up here, I'm going back. You can bend the knees, of course. Let's do 5 breaths. Each exhale, let's sink those heels down. Open up your back, your hamstrings, your calves, your glutes, basically the posterior chain of your body. Don't be discouraged. Dolphin is a challenge. I teach it a lot in my live classes. It's one of my favorites. I can't speak for my clients, but they always seem to groan. I think it's with pleasure when we do it, but they groan. It means it's working. Definitely going into areas that need release and blood flow. All right, knees down, come forward. Cobra, hands on the shoulders, lift up. Or all the way up into upward facing dog. Again, there's a back bend, opening up the body, opening up the chest. 2 more breaths. Make sure you share this with your runner friends. Not your frenemies, though. Just share it with your runner friends. All right, knees down. Shake out the arms. We're going to come to a side lunge. Definitely a very powerful pose. I use it all the time. for athletes, any kind of athletic flow, athletic workout. You want some side lunges. Let me mirror you. Open up your left leg. You don't have to strike it like that though. Right leg goes out. Now you open up as much as you can. Find where you are, work from there. If you're a serious runner, triathlete, even a cyclist doing this, any kind of athlete, you're gonna feel, spit, you're gonna feel a lot of tightness here. That's good. That's good, we're gonna get rid of that. So open up. If you want, you can also take the hands together and we have balance. As you exhale, pull the belly button in. Let's do 3 more breaths. Allow me to focus on the base of the tripod. Keep opening. We're lifting tall. The crown of the head is tall. Got excited there. Okay, now take a wide garland here. Toes are on a diagonal, a little wider than usual. Hands can be on tops of the thighs or hands on the floor, and use those elbows to open the hips. Sway side to side if you like. So right in here, in the groin, the psoas, the inner thighs. One more breath. And then, other side, side lunge. All right, my friend. How's that feel? You feel the stretch? We have hamstring, we have the groin, psoas, which a lot of people argue the psoas is the real core of the body, the real center. If you ever get a massage and they work the psoas, you'll know right where it is. You will never forget where it is ever again. It's amazing and horrible when it's worked, but that means it's like the nucleus of our strength, the nucleus of our body. All right, one more breath. Okay, take those feet wide as you comfortably can. Toes pointed forward, hands are down. Pull the mat up here, it always slides back a titch. Call this a little bit of a straddle plank. A little side to side here. Working into the glutes, into the thighs. Oh, I wrote down so much fun. Let me know in the comments below when you're done if you'd like more Yoga for Runners routines. Because we are just getting started. There are so many that we can do. So much that we can do. All right, now rise up. We have an extended triangle. Open up your right hip. Turn your left foot in, arms out. Bring this arm up and over. Hand on the leg. And lengthen. Feel that stretch. 3 breaths. Strong legs, secure legs. Strong breath. And we're going to turn this into a pyramid. This back foot, turn it forward, feet are staggered. Hands can be on the leg or fingers to the floor. 5 breaths. Inhale, soften the knee. Exhale, lengthen. Heels working their way down. They're working their way down to the mat. One more breath, pyramid. Okay, now rise up, triangle other side. Arms out, we reach and extend. Good. See if you can find, there's 2 tiny little holes in my shirt. Whoever finds them will get 20 tickets for Showbiz Pizza. You can get a big comb or some cotton candy. I can say that because I used to work at Showbiz. Okay, now pyramid. Stagger the feet. Inhale, soften that knee. Exhale, lengthen. Right into it. Balance out the sides. A good, strong, balanced, aligned body with a core that's strong and functional, and muscles that are pliable, durable. because you want to keep running for many, many years. Think of this as renewal and a tune-up. Oh heck, let's do one more. All right, around. I tell you what, let's finish with the frog. But first, I keep saying that. We're gonna sit cross-legged or on the heels. There's that mudra again, open it up. Or hands here. 3 breaths. Is your breath feeling more open at this point? It's amazing. The breath is like a muscle. You work it consistently and it improves. It gets stronger, more efficient. You have more oxygen. You can utilize it more efficiently over a longer period of time. All right, my friend, the frog. Frog Brothers. What movie is that from? Comment below. It's like child's pose, but you take your knees wide. Feet out. There we go. I'll just give you the front view here. And then when you're ready, just bring it down. Bring it down. Oh, yes. I mean, right away, you know, hips, glutes, back. Let's do 5 breaths. If you want a little bit more, cross the arms. We have a knot pose, really opening up the shoulders. Okay, what you want longer? You want to go longer? Okay. Switch the arms and down. 5 more breaths. In the nose, out the nose. Hope no one walks in. They'll just say, "Oh, yoga for runners." I can dig that. Breathe. Can't do much without the breath. 1 more breath. Oh, get that frog out of there. All right. All right, my friends, it's Coach Vigue, Vogue but with an eye. How'd you like that? You feel good? You feel looser? Make sure you check in below with your feedback, your questions, your requests. It's always a pleasure to train with you. Hit that like button, subscribe, and if you want some books to go along with these kind of workouts, well, I have them right here on the shelf.
And the link to order both books is below. Enjoy. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.